Hello friends, today we have a clock and we are going to count from 1 to 12. Let's start. This is number 1. The color is pink. Let's put it on number 1. Now we have to find number 2. This is number 2 and it is red. Let's put it on number 2. Now we have to find number 3. This is number 3 and it is orange. Let's put it here. This is number 4 and it is blue. Let's put it on number 4. Now we have to find number 5. Yes, this is number 5. It is green. Let's put it on number 5. Now we have number 6. Oh my god, it's coming with a car. Let's take number 6 and put it in the right place. Now we have number 7. It is pink. Let's put it on number 7. Now we have to find number 8. It's coming with the red car. Let's put it on number 8. Now we have to find number 9. Number 9 is coming with an orange car. Yes. Let's put number 9 on the number 9 spot. Now we have to find number 10. Yes, we have number 10. It's coming with a blue car. Let's put it on the 10. Now we have number 11. It's coming with a green car. Yes! Let's put number 11 on the clock. Now the last number is number 12. It's coming with a yellow car. Yes, good job kids. Let's put number 12 in its place. Now we have complete all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job friends, you found all the numbers. Bye.